Hi guys, welcome back again to another episode of Cook with Mollen. If you are new here, my name is Mollen and this is Cook with Mollen. So in today's video, I'm going to make bhajia. So if you want to learn how to make bhajia, the crispy and fluffy bhajia, you better stay tuned. So guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and join my gang. So guys, allow me to get started. So here I have 5 medium potatoes. I have all-purpose flour, 2 crushed garlic. I have my food color. I am using egg yellow. I have chopped fresh coriander and a salt to taste. So here I'm going to start by chopping the potatoes. I'm going to cut them into thin slices. This size is okay. So in my clean bowl, I'm going to add the ingredients. So I'm adding all-purpose flour, then salt, I'm going to add food color. This is egg yellow, just a little bit. And I'm going to add the crushed garlic and then coriander, the chopped fresh coriander. I'm going to add water. I forgot to mention water when I was mentioning the ingredients. You're supposed also to add water. So I'm going to mix it using my whisk. I'm going to mix everything together until it gets well combined. So the paste is supposed to be thick, not watery. For the best bhajias, the paste is supposed to be thick. So the paste is supposed to be thick like mine, like that. So my paste is ready. So next I'm going to add my sliced potatoes inside. Using my clean hands, I'm going to mix them gently. Make sure it is well combined with the paste. So I'm going to heat my oil first. So I'm going to check if the oil is hot. So I'm going to dip a wooden spoon. So it's really hot. If you see the bubbles, that means it's hot. It's already hot. So I'm going to start dipping my bhajias.